Hey guys, today again we are see about the process classification and identification. So Cloud Dimensions wants to track all running mid servers as application CIs. So they plan to build a new process classification to discover their mid servers. So if we use running the processor to identify the mid server application, Cloud Dimensions would like to track those host running mid server, right? So let's going into the my Windows Server Discovery. This is which is tracking our mid server, which we already discovered devices are there, right? So we can take this latest discovery status and then open the CI. In the CI, we have the running processes. So if we last time we had identified the Mongoose server, right? Now we can open this wrapper which is running defaultly running in the Windows mid server. So let me open this one. So this in the running process, if we locate this wrapper running process by search by the name, the process used by the mid server and the Windows server, right? So let me open this PID. So if I click on the PID, we have this parameters, right? So in the agent conf discovery structure, that containing the wrapper.conf file. So it's a maker for an existing mid server on a Windows server. So therefore, the agent slash conf slash wrapper.conf, this is the unique one in the parameter. So in the section of running process is used to uniquely identify a mid server. In order to create a application CI with application to host relationship. So let's go to the processes under CI classification. We can now create that parameter. We can create the processes. Let's open this. We are doing the mid server identification. So we just name this processes as a mid server. It's kind of loading. Yeah, still it's loading. So let me name this one as a mid server. Table is ServiceNow mid server. We are locating the ServiceNow mid server which is runs relation type. So we just give the parameter contains. So we can take this one agent slash from agent to conf. If this available, it can be classified. So let's submit this one. The condition queries all hosts containing that agent slash. Let me open that one. S- So this condition queries all hosts containing agent slash conf slash wrapper.conf in the parameter section of the running process record and the related list of the hosts CA. So once we submit this one, let's go to the CA class manager. under configuration. Taking some time. Let's wait. Open hierarchy. Here you can see multiple CA classes. Let's type the ServiceNow its server. Click the identification rule. So if we click this one, you can see search on table, classes, running process, command, those kind of things. Running process key parameters. So the first identifier entry is used for a credentialless discovery, which does not apply here as there are credentials available. So since ServiceNow Mid-Server CA is a child of application CA class and it does not have an identifier entry of its own. So the identifier entries for the CA class are derived and used to uniquely identify CAs for the ServiceNow Mid-Server CA class. So during the discovery, if all attributes of the identifier entry match an existing CA in the ServiceNow Mid-Server table, then the CA will be updated. If all attributes do not match, then the new CA is created. So let's do the mid-server discovery now again. So this is our my Windows server discovery. So if we do that, that is a mid-server discovery will be executed. So let's do the discovery and then wait for some time to complete the discovery status. So the discovery got completed. Let me refresh this one. So the discovery got completed. Let me open the CA. So in the related items, we have a dependency view. Open this one. So we had created the processes in the identification. So let's see that. So this is once we created the processor, we can able to see this one, which the ServiceNow mid server runs on the Windows server. So you can able to do the identification for this kind using this dependency view, right? So you can able to understand it using this one. So these are the process classification and identification topics. So this is our last class for our process classification identification. So go through it again. So that's all today's video. Thank you for watching my video.